What's up, YouTube? Welcome in. Market's about to open. Let's see if we can focus in and find some nice trades today. All right, let's do this.
The good old-fashioned grizzly, let's do this.
See if we can make some money before FOMC.
That's the best. Then you have the choice. You're like, well, if you don't feel like it, just don't trade it. You don't have to trade it either way, but...
Do you think they'll cut rates today or no?
That would be nuts. I don't think they will. It's only a 3-4% chance. But I mean, I've seen crazier things. I've seen crazier things. How's everyone's morning going to Team Bull? Let's get a roll call. How y'all doing today? Y'all feeling rested, ready to trade? Immaculate. Fan-effing-tastic. Good. That's the energy we want in here, baby. That's what we're looking for. Feeling rested. Good. Great. Yes, Spartan. That's what I'm saying, baby.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome in.
Digital Dad's feeling great. Vibes are high. Frequencies are high.
Welcome in. If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. As always, I appreciate you for being here. We'll try to catch a trade. I'll let NVIDIA is trying to get above my level.
Looks like heading again to 439 for this weak zone here.
Let's go ahead and mark out our levels now that market's open.
Welcome in. Any questions you have, drop in the comments. The chat, rather.
Oh, no. All right, here we go.
Right, I trade from desktop.
Which is 436. We have the 4-hour level 439. We just broke 480, so I was expecting a little more retest of this level to take the shorts. And then take it.
Sipping some good coffee, YouTube. Anyone else sipping some coffee this morning? Welcome in.
Going back to 480, let's see what happened here.
Madman will not be with us this morning.
Dope. His grandma's, after her surgery a few months back, I'm sure some of you guys remember, she's back to lifting.
Just follow the plan, Jonas. I don't know if I have any solid advice on that, but stay disciplined and follow your trading plan. Win or lose. Tilt will blow funded accounts quickly. Julian, I don't know. I doubt it, but I put some money on it that they would change the rates today. So we'll see. Probably lose it all.
they recovered this 480, you know. What a recovery. Alright, 0975, the next level I have. Touching it right now.
Appreciate that, Jake.
Breaking this pre-market structure, I'm interested in the long entry. It's early and it's a little higher risk, but we'll see. See how this candle closes, what we can get.
Oh no, I missed my NVIDIA entry from the watch list.
What was that?
I wanted to break that 177 pullback retest the area.
That pre-market high area?
Yeah.
We're gonna have a massive opening range, huh? Well, not massive, but decent if we keep trending up. Decent. Forever. Broke the structure. I was interested. I wish we would have closed a little lower with some nice volume here. Try longs at the stop below this candle low. I just have such a bad rap of trading in the first 15 minutes. My stats say, Jadon, don't do it. And I say, well, the setup looks good, do it. My data says, nope, don't do it, Jadon. Don't do it. Not seeing a lot on Tesla right now either. We also have FOMC today as well. Might have to have some students come break in the new trading headquarters this Friday.
Jesus. Come on. NQ. Give us something. Let's trade a little lighter. This is scalping conditions. We gotta get this big earnings out of the way as well. Scalping conditions. I'm not for sure. See, CDP, not for sure. Would definitely be wild, I would say, or interesting. What's everyone watching in chat? What's your setups today? Well, ideally we get a pull back to that previous day low area. That's what I was waiting on. Nice. Smart Jed. Hopefully we get some price movement. I mean, some nice price action this morning, but I wouldn't look for it ahead of FOMC.
I wanted to long, but no entries. We'll see how the 15-minute range comes out. See if we can get something.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the break of these levels. 509 or 80.
Top 10 since we started measuring. See how the 15 minutes looking. 15 minutes looking decently bullish. See how we close it in 30 seconds. If you like that.
So we have ES above daily level and forward level as well.
close this strong. I'm willing to look for a pullback for longs now. Willing to look for it.
You looking to pull back to that 500 area?
Yeah, likely. That's what I'm thinking. I liked the longs on there before. I just wanted to see a little more confirmation. I'd actually like to see a little lower. Down to like 490s. I'll sweep and then go.
The previous 5 minute was good for the upside.
Yeah, I agree. 15-minute looks good too. But we're going to take out my price target first, which is no bueno. I don't like that we're taking out pre-market high first.
I see you, Witty.
Oh, there we are.
I don't know. I might go live for FOMC later.
The
Let's run up the thumbs up at the top, everyone.
directional bias was right. We
Real
just
quick. Takes like 1 second of your time.
2 5-minute candles, and on the third 5 minute, we never.
I'm watching this for a long entry. What's NVIDIA doing? Probably gonna give me FOMO, huh?
This is gonna take a little more patience today. Grizzly, that NVIDIA just pulled back to 177.
Yeah, I know, man. I keep hesitating. I'm gonna get back into trading the individuals though.
So sad. No more hesitate, baby. We execute.
A little rusty on the individuals.
Don't love this candle right here. Come on, puppy. Give us a good trade. Give us a good trade. Actually, I was thinking, someone asked if I trade silver or gold. I was thinking about starting to watch gold more. Gold actually has been moving pretty well for futures. The orb kind of, low-key kind of smacks on the on gold. Keep that on watch today, because why not? Why not have a little gold action on the orb? Why not?
What was that candle? You see that?
The screens too. What?
See that candle on NQ?
I'm watching.
Killer candle.
We went back down to my balance area. We're here. It's just sketchy.
That's one of the candles like, yep, you thought you was getting continuation.
And we took out my price target too. We just swept pre-market high. So we may head back up, but it makes the setup a bit riskier. Makes the setup riskier.
Any questions, YouTube? No trades right now. Nothing open.
No setups yet for you, boy.
I don't have any extra ones right now, Terry. After the first, I will. I did another giveaway for you all. Oh, something triggered.
Yeah, this isn't a candle that I can long. Definitely not. Most def not. I'm almost tempted to look for a pop-up for shorts with stops above the highs.
One of my alerts went off.
What are we at for it? 490 was the high, 525. So I'd have to have moved to like 500-ish to make it worth it.
See here. Come
He
on.
made us chop us till FOMC. I'm not going to put that past him. Not going to put that past him.
I took a winning trade, Neil. One of the automated strategies took a winning trade, the pullback in Q1.
But I am open to looking for
Little scalp.
a pop-up a bit higher and trying shorts. Malo. Come on, give us a pop-up first. Don't dip without giving us our chance to enter.
They don't, Terry.
Even right here is just too much risk. That 90 would have been 35 points, almost 40 points to the upside. We can just find one good trade today. I'll be happy. One good trade today is all it takes. It's all it takes. It doesn't take a lot.
Oh, they know.
Some size down. I go top to bottom, or vice versa, depending on the trend.
Thanks, Paula.
My only fear today is that they chop us in this zone and they don't give us any real trend until later or till after FOMC.
We have some more data at 10.
Do we? What do we have? Home sales?
Yeah.
Some home sales.
You still looking for a short if we push up, or what are you looking for now?
Yeah, that was my main watch right now with that 5-minute candle. We swept pre-market highs. So London highs, swept the 15-minute high. So, I mean, that's what I would like to see. Does it give us a clean setup? I'm not entirely sure. I'm not super confident because it's FOMC day, but I'm willing to try it. I'm willing to try it with a bit less size. The risk reward there is worth it to me if we could get the pop. I'm not sure. We will. We'll see. Not in a row.
Yawn. Toad's making a new low of day. Appreciate all the thumbs up, YouTube. If you all get a second, let's try to get them to 100 today. You see that at the top, the thumbs up?
Come on, don't reject yet.
Just so much risk in that on that candle.
I know, I want to go short so bad. I just want to follow my plan.
Wow, HIMS is pumping.
What is?
HIMS.
Oh, come on. Don't reject already. That is dirty.
I'd like short, but we have the news in 3 minutes. That's why I
I
have.
saw news in 3 minutes, too. Between not being at my solid risk reward spot and having news, it's just not worth the risk. I like the setup, but
I'm still waiting on my bounce area, YouTube. You all know what I'm looking for. YouTube, I haven't told, well, I was talking to Instagram about it this morning, but I placed a bet that the rates will change today. So I did have 1,000 on the bet, now I have 2,000. So I may lose 2,000 today, but if I win, it's gonna be a massive payout.
Two minutes till news. Dos minutos till news. Staying patient here. There's no way I'm longing down here, but it's also too risky for me to short. So system says stay patient. System says stay patient. News in 20 seconds, everybody. News in 20 seconds.
Josh, that's what I was thinking.
News dropped, nothing burger. you won't, you won't where to run. Let's see where we're at from top to bottom on the day. $490 is at 50%. 500 at 61.8. Still only like shorts. Just why couldn't we get that pop up higher? Why couldn't they give us a bit more? Nice job, Jay Quinn.
So telling. How many? You remember, if Jay Powell coughs during the speech today, that means he's lying. I want a nice trade. Being patient, YouTube, being patient.
Man. Just never got the retest back up. Never got the retest back up. That's a bummer.
Still have my bounce area to watch on NQ if we get down there.
What's that?
It starts at 23,440. The zone. That's the top of it. So.
$440.
23,440.
Okay. I'll watch it with you.
Yeah, 429, 436.
What's Bitcoin been doing? BTC 118. What do you guys think of Bitcoin? You guys bulls or bears? Team Bull.
What's it at?
Lovers or haters of Bitcoin crypto? I'll tell you right now, I'm a lover. I'm a big time lover. Bulls. I'm a bull too. I think we're going to 500K plus.
Everyone over here pouring all their money into Bitcoin. I'm still holding SHIB.
I think we're going to 500. 500K. Yeah, it's a symmetrical bet for me. You know, if I lose over $1 million. If I win, we make a lot of millions.
I see.
That's worth it to me. If I can potentially lose, 1.5 million or whatever. Yeah, look what?
Yeah, I did SWAT. That's what I said.
Around 15 Bitcoins.
You can send me a few if you like.
What?
Send me a few if you like.
Yeah. You want some? You'll hold some for me? I know they lose 1.5 mil if it means making potentially 5-6 mil, right?
Just imagine if you had all the Bitcoin that the fake Jaden accounts have collected over the years.
Bro, you have no idea. Dude, just in 2024, from my assistant that does all the emails, over $1 million in crypto was stolen by fake Jaden just from emails we got. How crazy is that? Over $1 million in just 2024 of people saying, hey, I got scammed. We kept track of all of it just in case. Like, one time I had to talk to those regulators. The state of Wisconsin regulators were like, hey,
I remember that.
You stole someone's life savings. It's like, no. They're like, well, is this WhatsApp yours? It's like, nope. They're like, is this Telegram yours? I said, nope.
Remember?
I have warnings everywhere.
That one guy got scammed by a fake Jaden account. I don't know. He might still be in Team Boy. He might be listening to me, but he was so mad. He come into the chat. He's like, I bet you all are just a bunch of scammers. He accused all the members of it and everything. It was wild.
Yep, I was like, damn, if y'all want to give away your crypto, just give it to me instead. I'll always take you out to dinner. Give you a kiss. I mean, people get scammed all the time. The worst time ever was $500,000. $500,000. Listen, if y'all want to send crypto, I can give you my address and you can send it to me.
Never did that, Josh.
Anything over 10,000, I'll personally write you a letter too. I'm just kidding. I mean, if you want to send me money for a tip, you go ahead and do your thing. But I'm just saying, don't be sending it to the fake J-Duns. All right, let's see here what this gives us.
Don't let Brendan in the Zoom, Jaden. Don't do it.
Watching this level up here.
The NQ strategy had a winning trade, Jaden.
Did it?
Yeah, the scalping one. Appreciate that, Focal.
Ready from the streets. I'm watching for a short century.
One thing I can say about our community here on YouTube, our live trading community, zero drama and zero negativity towards each other. We focus on trading and helping. It'll always
be small size of shorts up here. 92.
Brandon. I wouldn't have Brandon to Zoom. He's salty now. Which I'm not host. Jaden's host in my defense right now.
If we end up breaking, my worst case scenario is you break above like 510. There we go so far. But I'd like to keep my stops with a candle close above 500. Got 10 points so far. I'd like to see lower. I'd like to see lower into these 70s. But if you want to scalp before...
I missed that entry with Jaden.
For FOMC, I'm open to it. You have 12 points here. Since FOMC, I'm going to take a baby piece off here around that 1-to-1. I'd like to see us continue on down. Just because it's FOMC day. I'd like to see like 20 plus points out of this below 70. That'll be my main trim. You're at 14 points so far. Next trim is at 70, guys. But manage how you see fit. It's up 15 points. 17 points.
I missed that trade with you, man.
Fit. Thanks, bro.
I missed it. I was going to take it with you. I missed when you said you was in. I was talking.
Come on. I'm going to put my stops at break even now, guys. Just in case. I'd like to see this trend down, though. The setup looks decent. Let's see if we can get this move down. Let's see if we can get this continue to move down. That's what I want to see is, I'd like to see a low today, but 70 areas. All right, guys, second trim secured here at 70. Second
Nice
trim
trade.
secured. Stops are still at break even. I have not moved my stops down.
Nice trade, man.
Thanks, bro. 22 points so far.
Jaden's entry was like
see if we can get some more out of this.
up here somewhere.
I'm holding the rest. My stops are at break even. I have not moved my stops down anymore. They're at break even at 92. I'm willing to give this trade some room to breathe. Come on.
That's what I get for messing with Brendan. Instant karma. Missed that trade.
Come on. Push it down. Reminder, guys, my stops are at break even. This is a risk-free trade. I'd like to see more out of this, but if we get 20 some points, then oh, come on. I'm not super confident in FOMC day. We may just hang around here and consolidate. So that's why I took those two trims. And my stops are at break even. So it's a risk-free trade. Any of you guys take that with me? Team Bowl? Let me know in chat if you guys made some money on that. Let me know. How are we doing on FOMC day? How much y'all pay yourselves? Let's see. Deadhead paid himself $400. Let's go. What y'all pay yourselves? Let's see it. What y'all pay yourselves on that? 400. Lots of W's. 1K, 225, 1300, 600, 200, 276. Beautiful. 300, 900. Let's go. 700, 150, 150, 321.
Nice trade, Jaden. Good entry on that.
Awesome, guys.
I don't think you had any drawdown, did you?
None. Literally went straight down. It literally went straight down, bro.
When you said you was in it, like didn't register. I was talking, and by the time I started to take it, it was already 10 points in profit. So had to set it out.
I would like to see ideally more. I'm still in this, still cruising. But FOMC day, guys, a lot of times you'll see chop up until the meeting, so just be aware of that. The reason I liked that trade is for education. I mean, I'd like to see more out of it, but the reason I liked it was because we had this aggressive 5-minute candle with increasing red volume, right? Increasing selling. We swept London highs. We swept 15-minute high. So as we come into this candle around this 500 area, 490 to 500, I look at it as well. If we're going to find a lower high spot, it's likely in between this aggressive selling here. In my worst case scenario, as we pop down, I don't try to top tick so we can keep aggressively pushing up. When we push down here to 490, or 492, excuse me, know that if we get this push down, I can now set my stops to above this candle wick at whole cycle number 500. And worst case scenario is I keep a 20 point or so stop on it above this 15-minute high. And ideally, we test low a day, which is solid risk reward. So absolute worst case scenario, this trade was still over 1 R. From a risk perspective, it was technically 1.5, almost 2, because our ideal risk was this 499, 500 area. That's how I look at things. That's how I look at risk. It's where can I get the best risk reward? Again, you'd rather see that be a nice trend entry and we move down and get the 30, 40, 50, 60 point move. But, you know, if you can get 20 points with no drawdown.
Real quick, YouTube, we're almost to 100 thumbs up. Can you give me 11 more? And I will not mention it again. And I appreciate it. Still looking for a trade. I have not taken one this morning. No day trade for me today so far. Hope some of you all took that with Jay done. Unfortunately, I missed it. There we go. Thank you. The giveaways will start back next week for APEC and Take Profit. I think I still have some Apex accounts possibly, but I'm out of the Take Profit until after the 1st. And if you all want to try my trading strategies that can be automated or get the indicators such as Trading Assistant, and I have one more in there, you can go to grizzlytrades.com where it says Simple Trading Strategies. There's a 7-day free trial. You can check them out. You know, maybe you don't use it at all, you don't like it, you know, no harm. 7 days free trial. I don't really like the upside. I don't really like anything in this area. We missed the trade on the video, huh? Let me look at ES. Why is that fake grizzly named Brandon at the bottom? That is interesting. Brandon's the fake grizzly. I knew it.
Say Grizzly go out.
I said they posted. I don't know if you've seen the screenshot that Dave posted in Team Bull Chat, but it had like the fake J Duns and Grizzly, and the Grizzly one, the name is Brandon below it.
That's hilarious. Grizzly trades Brandon P.
Yeah, Brandon is fake Grizzly. Always had my suspicions.
Let's see what happened at this level, guys.
Bro loves you.
We're gonna take this orb.
Oh my gosh, you're pumping. Let's see. If it looks good enough, I'm willing to give back. Give back like 10 points or so. We close in 1 minute. I gotta pee. I need to be out in 30 seconds. I'll be right back for the close of the orb.
Have this 509, 23509 level here.
You hear him trip in the background?
Yeah. Let's see what they do here.
I don't hate the retest here, Neil.
Go a little lower, a little lower, a little lower.
Do we look at it? Do we try it? I don't know if we do. What's the bottom of this candle? 485, 509. I don't know if we try it, guys. I don't know.
Just look in the lows too.
Maybe like 500 area. I just hate that we've touched pre-market high twice.
I like the setup. Will we get any continuation? I don't know.
If it wasn't FOMC day, I'd be a little more keen to take it, but the volume looks good. The candlestick looks good. The only issue is that we've already swept pre-market high, or London high. I'd like to see if we could retest down closer to 500. I'd be open with stops. So in your worst case scenarios, if you dip below 485, you just stop for 15 points. Right now, if you take it, you're going to stop below the trend-setting candle. You have 25 points of risk, which means from here you have to get up to 535 to make it a 1 hour trade. So you have to almost bet that you're going to trend above pre-market high for another 10 points. That's my thought process. Already made some money this morning. I have not taken it yet. I'm more so in capital preservation mode because it's FOMC day. So I'm okay. I've accepted the fact that the volume is higher. We closed above the 15-minute high. If we end up trending up from here, I'm 100% okay with missing the setup.
We pull back a little more. I like it. Just a little more, a little less risk. If we entered here, we'd have to keep our stops with close below 500.
All the signs are there. It's just FOMC day.
If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in chat. Waiting on this setup. I thought about taking some longs in this area.
Lost in my part of town.
Just a little more risk on that candle than I want on FOMC day.
How to add. Should they give us anything else? Down at 502, it's getting close to that level. Going on outside, I'm gonna say, run. You can run, but you can't hide forever. Yes, sir. Lost steady. Let's go, baby. Can't hide forever. For mean. Let's see here. Damn, we got the pullback to 500. Got the pullback to 500 and then ripped.
Ripper. Well, it's just nice to see it obeying technicals, at least.
That would have been the move, man. I just didn't want to get back any gains.
I'm sure some people took it.
Didn't want to get back any gains. It'd be at 1-to-1 right now with that 15 points of risk up at 515. Well, almost 1-to-1.
Nice, Neil. Brenton, the best way to, it'd be easier for you to read it. It's like Google risk to reward. But ideally, you want a minimum 1-to-1 risk to reward on a trade. Minimum. That's not ideal. But sometimes that's how it is when you're scalping.
Glad some of y'all caught that. Definitely wasn't a signal per se. Nonetheless, It's cool to see the level worked out. Cool to see the level worked out. We'll take it.
And the video's still going. It's awesome, Basil. Appreciate you.
What I forgot. No, I'm not her, baby.
YouTube.
The boy Pert.
I just landed a deal with a prop firm that allows automated trading. I'll drop the link for you all later, okay? I just got the email. They have some pretty cool stuff.
Sir. I am like them and look for one more setup, but it has to be real good if I'm going to take it. That 500 worked out all right. I did not take that.
Appreciate it.
My stop loss is 94. 23494.
Hey, what the F is the deal?
I'll be right back, YouTube. All right, I'm back.
No way to the rappers.
All right, I'm back. What I miss?
I am 20 loans.
Oh, you took loans?
Yeah.
Greg tried the loans.
Hope it prints.
Thank you.
Come on, push up for Greg.
Hopefully you can get this pop up now.
Come on, keep going. Keep going, baby.
pump it up.
No. No.
Keep going, baby. Keep going. 10 points already.
Go up, baby. Come on.
Haven't trimmed yet. Stop loss is still at 494.
Hugo, Sophia.
Come on, baby. Come on. You can. Reason why I took the loss above this 4 hour level 509. And we are entered this gap in the 4 hour. So I'm assuming they want to fill this gap. Maybe at least until 557.
Come on, rip up for him.
We are green, guys, more green. I haven't trimmed yet, so. Come on, baby, come on. Give me some more, give me some more. Give me some more. Also, yes, it's above 6416 for our level, so I missed that one. Actually, I missed several clips on yes. I was focusing on thank you. About to break even. About to break even. Let's see what happened here.
That's an interesting 5-minute candle. Not what you want to see. That being said, we did hold above that 50 range. See what trading assistant's saying today. I don't have it on for some reason. Nothing yet. See if I had anything on the video. Nope.
You getting on for FOMC Grizzly Lock?
I'm not for sure.
But there was a perfect retest on ES level. So I'm still on Enculons. Also looking ES. So people wants to trade ES. Come on, baby, come on, give me some more.
Vámonos.
Come on, basically pump it up.
About to play that song.
Yeah, it's gonna find a song. Come on, baby, pump it up, pump it up. Pump it up so hard. It's gonna break all these consistency rules.
Take us straight to 23,600. One candle.
small green. So if you are on this trade and you don't manage to trade, you can trade whatever you want. Don't wait for me. I'm still original position. Stop loss is still at 94. Full contracts here. There you go, baby. The zero. 10 points already. 10 points. Give me some more. One more. That is not enough for me now. One more. At least 15 on this day. At least. Give me 29.
I feel like this is about to rip.
I wish, I hope. Give me at least 529 to make my first train, baby. Make it worth it, baby. Make it worth it.
Grizzology came through with the orb, even though I'm not been crazy about the orbs recently.
Show yourself. Come on. Yes, it's still above 416 for those trading. Yes, SPY, SPX. So still good, guys. Still good. If you're on ESR, so SPY calls, or SPX calls.
Give it a keys, Craig. Give it a.
I want a keys. I want a hog. So.
The new high-a-day keys.
Yeah, she doesn't want to. He's fighting.
The pre-market high has that strength.
Yes.
Yeah, it does. Reject. It might have trouble trending over.
Almost back to break even. Oh man, I'm tired already.
I just need I need the rates to change today, so I can win some money.
See, I need some coffee.
I told you I took that bet, Jadon. Are you still around?
Oh yeah.
I placed I know I'll probably lose it all, but I bet that rates would change today.
Yeah. What'd you put down?
Well, I initially had 1,000, but now I have 2,000 in it. So if I win, I'll make if it changes, I make 40K today. But I lose 2K if it stays the same, but that's okay. I just have to borrow some money from Brandon.
I wonder what the market would do if we got today, surprisingly. I bet it would rip. Ripper. It'll likely be the big move will likely be in his tone.
Robinhood. On Robinhood is where I placed it. And if he coughs, he's lying. Remember that.
Purple tie we're printing. Purple tie we're printing. That's just what's going down.
Come on, pump up for Greg.
One winning solid trade today, one winning idea, and then Greg with a nice winner right now too.
Yeah, so far it's green. I haven't cleaned yet. Still full cons. So we need to play the summer. Come on, baby, come on. I was fighting a lot with this market hat.
Push it up for my boy.
Yeah, Corey, you can place them on Robinhood.
It's gonna break hard, to be honest. Everything is Going to
Push
create.
it up for my boy.
Yes, still above 416. Thank you. Above
Excuse me.
for our level 509. So reason west, I'm still on this trade. And yes, respect the levels, beautiful. So I'm gonna start trading SPX.
Well, YouTube, I believe I'm gonna call it here.
Profits.
I may go live for FOMC. There's just nothing catching my eye here. I don't want you all getting losing money. No point sitting around trying to force a trade. I do expect once FOMC is over, the remainder of the week should be solid. So, and we have some big earnings after close as well. Keep that in mind. Peace.